So for some reason, everybody wants to know, should I invest in real estate? And why shouldn't I just put my money in crypto and watch it just explode and make millions and millions of dollars? Well, it kind of doesn't work like that, right? They're just two separate asset classes. Crypto is a more volatile asset class, but it could have a much higher reward. Whereas real estate is a more stable asset class, and it's for a longer term investment that you're going to see scale up gradually over time. So why do I like real estate? Because I'm not going to wake up tomorrow and have my portfolio be 50% less than what it was the night before, right? So I know real estate is going to be more stable, and I'm gradually going to build equity. My property is going to raise in value over time. It's not an overnight microwave success. It's a slow process. And if you hold real estate for 20, 30 years, you can cash out with major rewards to it. So that's why I love real estate versus other asset classes like crypto or the stock market. I know it's something stable, and you'll see a lot of corporations as the markets go into a recession or a downturn. A lot of corporations are going to start investing more in real estate and putting money into hedge funds because they know that it's a stable asset class.
Tell people to subscribe and to check out your course.
Okay, everybody, did you hear him? Subscribe and check out my course, The Real in Real Estate. Scout's even telling you. Check it out. Subscribe. Down below, this is what the YouTubers do, right? Down below, subscribe.